Hello my besties and amores. Welcome back to another episode of the Sexy Music Assassins YouTube channel, Painting with Tsma and if you're new watching this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, share, and comment below. And also please don't forget to subscribe and also follow all my Tsma family and Smule. They're all amazing singers, alright? So in tonight's episode, we are going to use this paint. Alright, it's a metallic paint and a strainer. There you go. So my besties and amaras, if you hear the word hero, what comes to your mind? Is it a person wearing a mask, or the person behind the mask, or a person who is wearing a cape? You know, my besties and amoras, you know, that life is not easy. Alright. You know, we sometimes wait to make things happen. And the more we find others to blame for our disappointments and failures in life. So just remember, my besties and amoras, alright, that help only comes to those who are busy trying to help themselves. So as you can see on this painting, we are using this palette knife, alright, by Liquitex and Artist Loft Creative Inspirations. And also please don't forget to check the links below, alright? So, you know, there are also ways to make sure you become your own knight in shining armor. There are ways that you can be your own hero. You know, there's really a great feeling in this notion that fully embrace the idea that no one else is coming to save you. And that's a proven fact, you know. You know, once you get comfortable with this thought, you now know you can create any future you want. The sky is the limit, really. You know. So it may not happen tomorrow, or 5 to 10 to 20 years from now, but you're putting in the work so to save yourself, because nobody will save you. So you will get a lot of help every now and then, but some that even look like you're being saved, but you will never be saved. You know, you might as well bet on yourself and not a lottery ticket, which is so true. So, you know, if there's a book that you want to read, you know, then you must really write it yourself. So, you know, that person in your circle, you know, the negative person who complains about their hobbies, their kids, you know, about everything in her life, you know, yet they don't do nothing but complain, you know. Besties and amores, you must ask yourselves, have I made any positive change toward the things that bugs me? So, not all heroes wears a mask or capes. You know, sometimes some people, they side hustle, they do Uber, Lyft, stuff like that, and they're saving. Also, even they don't have money, they give what they can give to charities. You know, they can be serious advocates, really. So at some point, you know, along a hero's journey, you know, you need to take a leap of faith. Unsure if it will work out, you know. But then if you succeed, then everybody or everyone surround you wins. So if you fail, you know, then lessons are learned. See, there's always a liberating feeling in taking a chance, you know. You know, some of you have like abusive relationships, you know, and years of expecting things to change, you know. But you can always like leave all those behind, you know, and without looking back, you know. Because when you do that, then you will be finally free of those shackles. Alright, so when was the last time you did something to take care of your body or yourself? You can leave a comment below and let me know what you think, you know. Or even work out, you know. Get a spa or a massage. Or just meditate, you know. Whatever it takes to replenish your body and mind. Then don't wait for a friend to be good to you. You know, once you start taking care of yourself more often, then you place more value on yourself. And that's a defining trait of a hero. Alright. So, once you picture something in your mind, it begins to take form in your real world. So why limit your imagination, right? Your life can be that of the hero, and your dreams must match that. And you should take the effort and risk, you know. You always have to follow through no matter what. You know, when the chips are down and when the enemy is about to land the finishing blow, sometimes the enemy succeeds. That's all from the will of the follow through, you know. If you really want something and you've declared your ambitions or your goals in life, following through is the most heroic thing you can ever do. So I say, don't let anyone else stop you. Even that's gonna be your mom or your family members or your friends, you know. You can always be the hero of your own story. And don't wait, you know, for any handouts. Don't wait for people's opinion, you know. And also, you have to start on your own. You know, I think what's best for you. And quit complaining. And dust off your cape, alright? If you want to wear your mask, wear your mask and your cape. And I say it's time to fly, my besties and amores. Alright. You know, when you think of a hero, really, you think of someone who is brave, is strong, hardworking, you know, those people, trustworthy, unselfish, you know, someone who can protect you and make your life better, you know. And our parents has all those qualities. And it's always nice to acknowledge that. And remember, if you are a hero, you have a distinguished ability, the courage, admired for your brave deeds and noble qualities. And has a heroic qualities or has performed a heroic act, a great model or ideal. So don't forget, bravery, conviction, determination to succeed, for being inspirational. You have the moral integrity, stuff like that. You have to really take full responsibility for the quality, of our lives. The person with the most power over our lives will always be the person looking back at us in the bathroom mirror every morning. And we are the ones who are making decisions in our lives. Not our parents, not our siblings. We are the ones in charge of our own thoughts, our actions, especially our words. And most of all, we are the ones with the most invested in our overall happiness and well-being. So unless, my besties and Amaras, unless we choose to give them that power, of course, make no mistake make no mistake, because our power belongs to us. Always remember that the world owes you nothing. It was here first. Think about Genesis 1:1 all the time, all right? In 40 plus years of my life, I have been fortunate enough to have some amazing mentors, especially God. When you open the Bible, focus on the Word of God and ask for His guidance, conviction, and ask for wisdom and understanding, that you may be able to understand the will of God through His words, then everything will fall into place. That is so true. And always think positive. Just entertain all positive vibes, Being a hero means keeping our power, but always taking full responsibility over the quality of our lives. So this is the final painting tutorial. I'll see you all next time.